Hey, what's going on, guys? John here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play What's Up by the Four Non-Blondes. You only need 3 chords to play this whole song. I'm going to show you an easy way to strum through the entire thing. I'll break down the chords and I'll also break down the strumming pattern. Before we get into the lesson, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Any engagement on this video, if you could leave a comment below, it really helps out our channel, so I appreciate you doing that. Okay, let's break it down. The 3 chords that we need to be able to play are A, B minor, and D. For A, we're gonna play from the A string down, open, and then put your second finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and then open E. That's gonna be A, the first chord. Then we're gonna go to B minor. Now this is a bar chord. I'll show you how to play the bar chord version, and then I'll show you an easier version as well. So use your first finger to play the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's also gonna bar, it's gonna get the first string 2nd fret as well. And then we'll put our fingers in between. We're gonna put our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D string, 4th finger right underneath that on the 4th fret of the G string, and 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. This is B minor. So again, that first finger is doing the bar, getting the 5th string and the 1st string, and then this looks like a little minor shape there. Now if this is too hard for you, you can bring your first finger down and just play the top 4 strings, so that would be no barring involved. That would go 4, 4, 3, 2. So you just bring your first finger down and grab the top string there. Now if you do this, you have to mute the other strings, so you don't want to strum the A or the E string, and I'll mute them with my 3rd finger and my thumb. Or with the root, with the bar chord. And the last chord we're going to play is D. And D is going to be starting with the D string, open, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. That's D. So our chord progression is 4 bars long, and it repeats for the whole song. It starts out in the A for 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to B minor, 2, 3, 4, then to D, 2, 3, 4, then back to A, 2, 3, 4. Then that repeats again. So we'll stay on the A. When we loop it around, there's double A's there, and then B minor, D, and then to A. So again, whether you want to do the bar chord or just the easier version, whichever's comfortable for you. For the majority of the tune, the strumming pattern plays a 1-bar pattern that sounds like this. Let me break that down beat by beat for you. We're going to use 8th notes and 16th notes. For the first beat, we're going to go 1 E and that's going to be a down, down, up. Then we'll do the same for the second beat, 2 E and so half the pattern is 1 E and 2 E and down, down, up, down, down, up. Then on the 3rd beat, we're gonna play 4 16th notes. So we'll go down, up, or 3 E and Then that'll tie over into the 4th beat, and we're gonna play on the 4th beat 4 E and with a up, down. So we're gonna play on that. We'll rest for the first 16th, and then we'll come in on the E, 4 E and So the second half of that measure is 3 E and 4 E and here it is all together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and then we're gonna go to the next chord. So it's a 1-bar pattern. You could also think of it like this: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down. Here it is up to speed. Just try that on an A chord. Ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Then we're gonna do that on the A chord one time on the B minor, one time on the D, and then one time back on A. Here's what it would sound like all together. 3, 4. And that's it for the tune. You just repeat that through the entire song and have a good time jamming along with it. Now at the very end, where it breaks down to just the guitar, the very last time through the progression, it slows down a little bit and the rhythm starts to swing. So that would sound like this. So you just add a little swing feel that last time. There you go. I hope this lesson helps you out, shows you the chords, and gets you playing this song right away. Leave a comment below for future video requests. We're doing a lot of lessons on the channel, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video. They're constantly being added. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. We'll see you guys in the next lesson.